In this video, I will show you how to get good deals at Target by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker. PriceLasso shows you historical prices at Target with price history and sends you email alerts when the price drops to the amount you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save money and avoid missing Target sales. To start price tracking, just sign up for free at PriceLasso.com, add our browser extension, and then go to any Target product page. You'll see our green button appear, and once you click it, you've created an alert and you can see it on your dashboard. You can edit the alert price to whatever amount you want, and once the product price drops, you'll receive an email alert. You can also view product price history, and by waiting, you can often save 20 to 30% and avoid missing sales. In addition to Target, PriceLasso also lets you track prices at other stores like Amazon, Walmart, Costco, and many more, and works for major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Safari on iPhone.